Deja Haley, a senior here at Bennington College. I study psychology, Black studies, literature, and public action.
Hi, I'm Ahmad. I'm also a senior at Bennington. I study public action and visual arts.
So as you guys know, before the college decided to go remote, we were a week away from launching Bennington's first ever Diversity and Inclusion Conference. No fair, it's still happening, just virtually.
So it's going to take shape in videos instead of having sessions during the conference. Each breakout session leader made videos introducing the topics of their sessions, and instead of being limited to the people attending them, now everybody can see the videos and contribute. So each video you're going to see on Instagram, YouTube, or on the diversity page, you can follow up with the links that are under it with contributing with your feedback. Bennington is the most diverse as ever, and your contribution in making it a better place for everybody will be really sweet.